Namaste, this is Shiv Chittam. Today I give you some practices, yogic asanas, the physical postures for the lungs, the respiratory system, and for the health of the heart as well. It will make your lungs stronger. The capacity of the lungs will increase. The breath will become deeper, smoother, and longer. It will help you maintain a good amount of the oxygen in the body. I have divided these practices into 3 sets. The set 1 is the practices to be done in the standing position. The set 2 will be practiced in sitting position. The set 3 will be practiced lying on the abdomen in prone position. You have to practice these 3 sets without any overstrain. Do it gently in a relaxed way with full awareness. Every single practice should be synchronized with your breath. In between, you must relax. Never practice in hurry, never overstrain or never force while practicing. Practice in your own limit, in your own capacity. Build up your capacity, build up your stamina, build up your strength, and you will see the impact in a matter of a week or 2. The capacity of the lung will increase, the immunity level will go high, and your overall health will increase. Let's start with the set 1, the standing group of asanas. So place yourself nicely over the yoga mat. You may have little gap, keeping feet parallel, or you could even join the legs for Tadasana. Interlock the fingers here. Send the palm outward. Take the arms over the head and place the arms to the top of the head. Inhale slow and deep. Stretch completely. And exhale down. This is 1 down. Inhale up. Stretch. Exhale down. 2 over. 8 more. 10 times the palm tree. Be focused. Be aware. Practice will remain synchronized with the breath. As you finish your 10 times, release and relax with the closed eyes. Observe the body, head to the toes, tiredness, stiffness out, body rest. Take a deep breathing out, relax completely. Now open your eyes, join the legs, join the feet. Your palms here in front of the thighs. Touching the thighs, your palms. Shoulder open, chest relaxed. Now while inhaling slow and deep, start counting your breath. Count up to 8 or count up to 10. One single breath. This is not intermittent breathing. And you breathe out and count 10. So this is 1 down. Eyes will remain shut. Inhale slow and deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now palms goes to the sides, touching the side of the thighs, chest open. Inhale, slow and deep, count up to 10 here also. And as you raise the arms up, join the palms behind the head and stretch them up. And breathe out and count 10. Inhaling slow and deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Join the palms behind the head. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now bring the arms in front of the chest. Join the palms, keeping arms straight from the elbows. Inhale, slow and deep, count up to 10. One single breath, fill the lungs. Fill the lungs completely. Open the chest. Open the chest. Exhale, count 10. Breathe out deep. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, relax with the closed eyes. Drop the shoulders, upper back, chest. Watch the breath. In these three practices, opens your lungs horizontally, vertically. The breath becomes deeper. Chest muscle, chest area, upper back relaxes completely. Take a deep breathing once more. Now open your eyes and join the legs. Cross the arms here in front of the body, left below, right onto the top. Follow the arms, inhaling up, slow and deep, one single breath. Exhale, opening the arms to the side. Inhale and exhale. All through, remain awake. Hand-eye coordination. Inhale, as you start raising arms, head also goes back tilted. Exhale, opening the arms to the sides. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, slow and deep. Exhale, slow and deep. Inhale and exhale. Now change the combination of the arms. Right goes below, left comes onto the top. Inhale, slow and deep. Exhale out. Inhale and exhale. 2 more rounds. And the last one. Relax with the closed eyes. Observe the neck, shoulder, upper back, chest. Watch the breath. Take a deep breathing out. Relax completely. Now open your eyes. The legs apart by a foot. Interlock the fingers behind. It's like this. Inhale, exhale, going back. So total 5 times this double angle, reverse inhale, exhale, going back. Join the shoulder blades behind, head falling back. Five times and then relax with the closed eyes. So drop the back, the shoulder, neck, chest. Take a deep breathing out. Inhale deep, exhale deep. Now, legs apart by a foot, 1.5 feet, keeping feet parallel for simple triangle pose, Saral Trikonasana. The palms to the sides, chest open, shoulder relaxed. Start inhaling slow and deep. Fill the lungs completely. Stretch the arm up, exhale, bend the body to the side, to the left side. Awareness on the sides from the rest. Inhale, come back, exhale down. Inhale, slow and deep. Exhale, slow and deep. Inhale, coming back. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back. Exhale down. Inhale, slow and deep. Fill the lungs completely. Exhale. Inhale, coming back. Exhale down. Inhale, slow and deep. Exhale. Inhale, come back. And exhale down. Now relax with the closed eyes. Shut your eyes, observe the sides to the west. Back in the chest. Take a deep breathing out. Relax completely. Now open your eyes. Your legs apart by a meter. So the right foot will go outward, 90-degree. Left toes comes in. Bend the right leg. It's a 90-degree bend. Now turn the body to the right. Arms here in front of the chest. Now inhale up. Take the arms up here and chest open. Breathe in and out 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change the side. Left going outward, right comes in. Bend the leg. Arms here in front of the chest. Take the arms up now. Arch the back, look up. Breathe in out 5 times. Feel the stretch where all you have. Come back. Relax with the closed eyes. Observe the upper back, chest, hamstring, calves, shoulder, arms. Watch the breath. Take a deep breathing out. Relax completely. So this is the end of the set 1. So all these practices which we did in the standing position will improve the capacity of the lungs. It will give the nice gentle stretch and exercise to your lungs and the respiratory system. And your breathing will become deeper, longer, and more relaxed. And it will help to maintain the oxygen level also in the body. Thank you so much. Hari Om. Tat Sat.